Now what I want to do is create a navigation system so that the player can know where he's meant to go, what is his objective. Once this runs, you should see. And there we go. Now our arrow is constantly looking at our stairs right here, as you can see, and that is mission accomplished. Okay, well apparently the issue wasn't the inaccuracy of the cross, it was simply me making a dumb mistake. Yeah, I just have to plug the bottom into the outer and the look at node into the inner rotation. And once we play that after, and yeah, now the arrow is pointing in the right direction. So yeah, that's basically how you make the navigation system work. And the previous tutorial is how to set it up badly. So thank you for watching, and I'm super sorry. Also, thank you very much for explaining what was going on. I'm not sure I understood everything, but thank you, and I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Thanks again, and sorry. Bye.